At 720,000, all the action's over here. At 720,000, we go once, twice. Good time now. 25.
Madam, just need to ask the question one more time at 766, otherwise I sell here. Done, finished, silent, yes. Selling. Get ready to get excited there, madam. In 3, 2, 1. Folks, put your hands together because we are sold. Well bid, well bought there, madam. A very warm welcome here to number 4 of 2 Newman Road here in Wantirna South. On behalf of the amazing team at Frederick Properties, the property has been expertly marketed for you over the past few weeks by Jackson and Fred. Are we done? 660, welcome back to you, madam. Done. Oh, finished. Oh, silent. Surely not at that level, 680. Folks. At 680, and she's back in at 700,000. Now we've got an option here, folks. 3 bidders in the race. 1, 2, and 3. 745. Boom! I'll tell you a bit at auction. At $745,000. Going in with a sucker punch there. At $766,000. Are we selling, madam? I need to know from you now. At 766, it is against you. Make that nice and clear. 766 is the number. I sell. Selling. Are you sure you're done? Sold. Well bid, well bought there, madam. Congratulations. Welcome to the neighbourhood. You are going to absolutely love it here.
Alisha,
how are you? I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Good. So we've just finished a vendor meeting which went really well. I'm really excited about that auction tomorrow. I think it's going to be an absolute ripper and we will be vlogging that for you. But I just wanted to interject at this moment just to let you know about an auction that was vlogged a couple of weeks ago where we didn't have the people that were prepared to put their hands up at the auction day turn up to the auction. So we decided to postpone that auction and it was supposed to go to auction next weekend. Well, the agent contacted me a couple of days ago to let me know that they had accepted an offer with a 30-day settlement, unconditional and above the quote range. I'm so elated and excited for that vendor because that strategy of just postponing the auction and having a new auction date allowed her to be able to have that negotiation power to say, if you're going to offer something before the auction, it has to be really good to take the property off the table and stop the auction. So to be able to get a unconditional offer, a short settlement and an amazing price as well, it is just win. I'm so excited and it couldn't have happened to a nicer person. So congratulations to the team there for persevering, trusting my judgment and getting an amazing result in the end. Woohoo! So I was excited to call this video St. Albans to Somerville and everywhere in between. However, the St. Albans property that I had this morning ended up selling a couple of days ago. So we are on our way to Wantirna South for an auction. Got a couple of registered bidders there, which is fantastic. So hopefully that goes really well. Really realistic vendors as well, which always makes a big difference. So fingers crossed. We'll see how that one goes.
Sold. Well bid, well bought there, madam.
Sold. Yay. Fantastic result there over the reserve price. 4 bidders, I think we had. No, we had 3 bidders. My apologies. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, we had 3 bidders there. And an amazing result. Now off to Somerville. So just coming back from the auction in Somerville, unfortunately no one at that auction, so we just had a really good chat to the owner. Goodness me, I'm just looking at the time, 3:34 and the auction was at 3 o'clock, so a good half an hour discussion with that vendor in regards to strategy as to what to do to get properties sold
in this market. So we've had a little tweak of a few things, and we're going to run an open for inspection on Tuesday evening and just see if we can spark some interest in the property with changing photos around and tweaking the price just a little bit. Not completely changing to a different price range, but just making sure that they're capturing the on the round number indicated price. So don't have 660 to 710, for example. 650 to 700 is your better choice to choose from, because then you're maximizing people seeing the property that have 6 to 650, 650 to 700, 700 to 750, 700 to 800. If they're putting in those specific price brackets, then the property is going to come up in their search range, and I think that's a very powerful thing to do. So having that on the round number, if that makes sense, so 600, 650, 700, 750, as opposed to the obscure 680 to 720, I just think it puts you in a much better position to be able to have more people come through the door and therefore more negotiation power. So that's it for the weekend, folks. One property selling during the week, one property selling under the hammer, and one property, unfortunately, no one showing up to today, so we weren't able to conduct the auction. But with hopefully those new strategies in place, that vendor will also see a sale very shortly, and that's what it's all about, is getting your property sold and getting it sold for a great price. But the strategies do need to be in place to maximize your potential of getting the highest price that's out there in the marketplace. Enjoy the rest of your week, folks. Thanks for watching, and take care.